to show you guys Linger in a very quick, easy way, and then I'm going to save the bonus advanced stuff for the very, very end. So if you want the tricky stuff, hang out. It's going to be just simply 3 sections: intro, main meat, chords, rhythm, and then outro. Let's dive in. The intro is going to be really, really simple. You're basically going back and forth from this chord to this chord. We're going to call this, just for the sake of this lesson, a D2, all right? It's a second version of a D. This right here is the real D major, okay? So it starts off with this particular shape here. We have open G, 3rd fret of the B, and 2nd fret high E. You're going to play that 4 times. Just like that, G, B, E for each set. And then you're going to bring your first finger back on, so now we're playing regular D major. That's going to be the same exact pattern. G string, B string, high E string 4 times. Again. And note the rhythm of that. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If that helps, that is a really basic way to count that, but that's basically it. There's your intro, you guys, and then simply off of this D chord of that last time you do it, just start to drift it into this rhythm, which I'm going to get into now. For the main meat of the song, the verses, the choruses, all that stuff with anything lyrics, here's what you're going to have to do. The rhythm first is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So it's really the same rhythm twice. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, and do it again. Got it? Okay, so that is what I'm doing for every chord. We're playing D, A major, C major, G major. If you don't know those chords, Google them now. We're not covering them here. Down. That's the whole entire thing. That's basically it, except for the outro, so hang on, and the little advanced tidbits. So that right there is the meat of the song. Practice that D, A, C, and G, and at the end I'm going to show you some cool stuff you can do on those chords. Before I do though, let's get into the outro. Here's what the outro section is. It's a variation of what the intro is, but it's a little bit more advanced, a little more complex. Let me demonstrate a little snippet of it. Here it is. Got it? So we actually start with our regular D major and we switch up that pattern. Right? So I'm string skipping. I'm going G, high E, B, G. Right? Then I'm going to go G, high E, B, G, high E, G, B, high E. That's the pattern. And then I take my first finger off for our second version of our D, right? Same exact pattern. Here it is. It's G, high E, B, G, high E, B, G, high E. And just repeat that. And then end on the 2nd fret of the G string. Or if you want to just play a D chord, that's cool too. And that's it, you guys. That's the basics. That's the shotgun, air it all at once. Now let's get into the fun little Easter eggs that I promised you. That what you can do on this song is pretty cool, and I've watched multiple versions. It's really interesting to watch the different players play it differently. I'm going to give you just all of what I'm seeing, and you guys can kind of sift through the gold and make your own version. So the one thing I'm definitely seeing on the D major chord is I'm seeing a lot of D sus2. Don't confuse that with what I was just talking about before. A D sus2 is a D major, but lifting your 2nd finger. So the high E string is exposed, right? So he's doing this. Just a little lift here and there. That's all you need to do. Don't overthink it. Just gives it a little bit of flavor and variety and floatiness. Just that D sus2 has a floaty vibe, so it really adds to the overall floatiness of this overall song. Anyways, I digress. The next chord, here's a cool one. I really like this. A major is totally fine. Right? And you see the singer, you see her do a little bit of the A sus2 stuff. She'll go. Right? And the other guy is doing this. An A6, isn't that cool? So that's the A string open, 2nd fret of everything else. D, G, B, high E. Get that thumb on that E string, mute that. That's important, you guys. So that high E string 2nd fret is the 6 in that key, the F sharp, and that is what makes it an A6. So play that. Take some practice, that's all on the 1st finger. And to put it into context, it sounds great. Let me show you from the D to that chord. Isn't that great? And then, so I like to see add 9 like this. I think it sounds great, and I saw them doing it a little bit, which is basically instead of a C, you simply add a 9. That's the note of D right here on the B string 3rd fret, okay? So you're gonna see them doing this a little bit. 3rd fret of the A, 2nd fret D, open G, 3rd fret B, and open a high E. By the way, I'm muting that low E with my 2nd finger, it's touching it. And so that's the way I like to play it, personally. When you see her playing it though in accompaniment, she's actually doing this. It's interesting. She's going. Isn't that cool? She's giving you a C major 7. Just a little snippet in there. Okay, so watch for that. And then lastly, the G is a G. Sorry, no bonus tips for that. You guys just have some fun. So overall, here's the way that I like to play it all together. That's it, you guys. I've got a PDF guide on my Patreon. You must be a $5 member or more to access it, but it is worth it. All of that is in there. Have fun. I love you guys. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.